Put it in perspective, guys. That road right there runs into Ballantyne. Ballantyne is exit 61 on 485. About 6 o'clock on the clock dial, if you thought about 485, which encompasses Charlotte as a clock dial, about very south side, exit 61, that's where it all unfolds. But here's what I'm going to tell you. Just down 521, which Johnston Road is 521, and then just across that South Carolina line, and then you're going to find Avondale. This is the brand new and exciting D.R. Horton neighborhood. Now, that looks like a coastal to me. Here's what I'll tell you. The coastal is one of the great D.R. Horton ranch plans, along with the Seabrook. And what I'll tell you is they've got both of those being built along with some great looking 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, I mean like the Fleetwood, the Hampshire. They pronounce it Hampshire. That's within the D.R. Horton culture. I say Hampshire because of New Hampshire. But here, like for instance, these houses are great. And if you work in Ballantyne, this is a no-brainer. So Indian Land, South Carolina, I came across the state line and filled up on my gas. That's just the way we think. Hey, you going into South Carolina? I am. Fill up on your gas, yo. Because, hey, guess what? Gas is less expensive. So many reasons to love this. Look at this one head on. There's a whole row of them right here. They've got houses. You want to know pricing? I can give you that. You're looking at houses basically in the mid-3s to the mid-4s. Can you get in for less? Yeah, 330-ish or so. There's a great looking ranch plan. You know, they're selling the Seabrook, the coastal. They've got these great Hampshires, Fleetwoods, some of the great D.R. Horton plans. And here it is, guys. The lots are not large, but what you've got is location. I'm not saying it 3 times. Indian Land, South Carolina, the schools are up and coming. It's not Fort Mill, but it's great. This one's available, for instance, on lot 152. And again, you're in the 300s and the 400s for the most part. Can you hit over 5? Just barely. This one's sold. It's gone. They're selling them, guys. And I'm just going to tell you, the spring selling season, summer, watch out. People are getting here for the next school season. 148 is available. So you want to give me a call at 704-345-3400. Numbers on the screen. My services are free to you because they're paying me, not you. The seller pays the agent. So if you go into a model home, you need to just identify me as your agent, Roger Holloway, Pro Stead Realty. And here's why. You need a placeholder. You need to let them know you want buyer representation because they know they can dazzle you and bedazzle you, and then bam, you've bought a house. Why? Because the models are spectacular. The salespeople are friendly and knowledgeable. But hey, it may be here in Avondale. It may be around the corner. That's why you want a buyer's agent. I can show you everything, and I can't wait to. So let's talk Avondale. If it comes on your radar, let's go see one. If you need me to go shoot one for you, you say, hey, I'm out of town, I can't go myself, I might just go do that for you. Say, hey, there's a Hampshire on lot such and such. Let me go be your advocate and let me help you in your relocation. I love Avondale already. Jack the real estate dog hasn't said a word in the back seat, which means he loves it too. I'll see you in the next video.